My name is Maddie.
And I'm Farah, and we are teaching artists at the Rose Theater. Now that you've seen the play Penguin Problems, we are excited to share one more drama activity with you about Mortimer and his friends. There were lots of animals in Penguin Problems, and the actors were all pretending to be different animals. The amazing costumes helped us know a little bit better which animals the actors were being, but the actors also had to move their bodies. Maddie, what animals do you remember seeing?
Oh, well, Farah, I remember seeing, penguins. That's the big one. And there was an animal with 8 legs or tentacles. Oh, the octopus. And there was another animal with a big tail and big teeth. He gave Mortimer advice. A walrus! Ugh. All of the actors had to use their bodies to show the different animals. Let's practice together.
Penguins are birds that can't fly, and they waddle, and they might get cold a lot. When I say go, please move around your space like you are a penguin. Here we go! And freeze! Ooh, Maddie, I noticed that you were using your arms like flippers, and you were waddling, keeping your legs close together.
Thank you, Farah. Let's practice being an octopus. Octopi use their 8 tentacles to push themselves through the water. Let's practice being an octopus and pushing ourselves through the water. When I say go, move about your space like an octopus. Ready, set, go! I love how you're using your arms like you're floating very slowly through the water. You're also using your face to show that you're breathing underwater. Let's practice that. Let's show that we are moving slowly underwater. Ready, set, go! And freeze. Nice job, friends.
Let's do one more. A walrus scoops its body on land, and it's very big and heavy. It also has 2 big front teeth called tusks, just like an elephant. When I say go, please move around your space like you are a walrus. Here we go! And freeze! Maddie, I noticed that you are using your arms like flippers again. And you're making your face really big like a walrus with 2 big tusks. Let's all try that again, and let's make our faces and our arms and our legs and our whole bodies as big as a walrus. Ready? Go!
Freeze! Nice job, friends. You could do this activity with any of your friends and family. You could pretend like you're eels or like you are leopard seals. Both of those animals also live in the Antarctic. Or you could pretend that you are any animal from anywhere in the world.
You can learn about your favorite animals in a book or online. And before you act it out, you can even make the animal's habitat, which is a fancy way of saying where they live. Thank you so much for playing with us today, and you can find more activities and stories on the Rose Theater YouTube page.
Give yourselves a huge pat on the back and hug your creative selves.